Detenga la propagación de los microbios. COVID-19. Tim's bringing in the last piece of COVID-19 stopper. Properly masked, gloved. Got all the precautions taken.